Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's lesson I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this beautiful ruffled scarf. I've been wanting to do this video for quite a while, but I've been trying to get a hold of a new camera, which is what I'm currently using right now. Yay! So let's get started on a lesson straight away. For this project, all you'll be needing is some ribbon webbed yarn. You can get these online or at your local yarn store. I got this in my local market. And you'll be needing any size crochet hook will do, but I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. So to start your scarf, I have to find the end first. To start off your scarf, you're going to have to fold out your webbed yarn. As you can see, it's got these little holes across the top here. This is where we're going to be inserting our hook into these holes. So to start off, I'm going to go into the first stitch. So we're going to go, technically this is the first stitch, but as you can see that's just broken there. So I'm going to go into the first stitch here. That counts as 1. And go into the next. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go all the way along till we have 10 on our hook. So 9 and 10. So here we have 10 loops on our hook. Just going to bunch them all together and go through, go through all 10 loops. This can be quite tricky or fiddly to start off with, but you will eventually get the hang of it. So that's our first little ruffle there. So again, we're going to collect 10 stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to pull through all these loops again, like we did before. That's our second ruffle. You can see that it's slowly starting to build up. We're going to do that all the way across and all the way through this project. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pull through all your loops like that, and that's ruffle number 3. So just continue to do this all the way through this whole ball of yarn. I'm going to fasten off and you'll finally have your ruffle scarf. So this is really easy to do. It is very fiddly to start off with, but you will eventually get the hang of it once you get going. Well, I found it quite difficult when I first started. So I'm going to pull through all stitches. So now I'm not going to do the whole scarf because that will take, I'd say, forever. Normally it takes me about half a day to do do one of these scarves, maybe, yeah, maybe about half a day in total. So that's basically all you need to know. So it's just collecting the stitches and pulling through all the loops to make a little ruffle. As you can see, it's all starting to collect up. So it's just a quick little simple video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, have fun. Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's lesson I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a different ruffled scarf. Sorry, I can't talk today. If you might have seen my previous video on how to crochet a scarf using the webbed yarn, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet using this ribboned yarn. So as you can see, it's got all this ribbon along the edge. So all you will need is a crochet hook. I'm using a 4mm, but you can use any size you want. And you'll be needing your yarn. You can get this from any yarn shop near you or online, but I just got this at my local market. So I'll take the label off. I'm going to find the beginning. Let's get started. So to start off our scarf, we're going to go into the first stitch here. Set your hook. And this time, different from the webbed scarf, instead of collecting 10, we're going to collect 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The reason why we need 5 on this is that it's a lot thicker than the webbed ribbon yarn. So once you've got 5 on your hook, pull through all the loops, and that's one ruffle. Do the same, collect 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through all the loops and continue to do this all the way along our scarf. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all our loops. And you can see here it's quickly starting to gather up into ruffles a lot quicker than the ribbon yarn was, the web yarn was, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just do this all the way to the end. Fasten off, and there you have your scarf. So I would recommend this project. Very easy for beginners, and I do prefer this sort of yarn to the webbed yarn because it's a lot easier and a lot quicker to use. So obviously, again, I'm not going to show you how to do the whole scarf because that will take too long. But that's all. Again, that's all you need to know. Just collect 5 stitches. I'll show you again one more time. So just collect 5 stitches, pull through all the loops, and that's one ruffle. So that's all it is. Just collect 5, pull through all the loops, and just do that all the way across till you reach the end of your yarn, and then you'll have your scarf. So thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Subscribe to my channel, Crochet Wonders. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, have fun.